Good morning, students. This is Rajlakshmi here, and today we are going to read about the chapter 3 of class 10, that is genetics. What is genetics? Before going to the chapter in detail, let me give some example to you so that you can understand. Have you ever heard that when you went out with your parents and all to any kind of tour or any kind of places, to the market and all, your friends or somebody might have seen your father or mother along with you, and they may say you afterwards that you are exactly somewhat, you have some similar features like your mother, no? You have good height like your mother, you have a good hair texture, hair color like your father. So suppose there are brothers and sisters also, you'll say that you can easily recognize, yes, these both are related in terms of, so they are brothers or sisters by having identifying some similar features, right? So how does this happens? Okay, well, how does these things happen? And these things are studied by a branch of biology. These things are studied under the branch of biology called as genetics. Okay, so what is genetics? Let us discuss here. Study of transmission of, what is transmission here? Transfer. So study of transmission of features. Which features, children? I wrote, that's why I wrote in the bracket for your better understanding, that is body features. It may be hair color, it may be height, it may be color. Suppose your mother, out of both of your two parents, both of the parents, your parents, suppose your father is average or not fair enough, but mother is fair enough, and you got the same fair color or character in you. Okay, so that is also a physical body feature only. Yes, that can be seen. So from parent to offspring, here again you are learning a new term, that is offspring. What is the meaning of offspring? Nothing but the child, the son or daughter, whoever it may be. So the branch of biology that deals with the study of transmission, matlab transfer of features. Which features? Body features, physical features, characters from parents to offspring is known as genetics. So now I think you can understand what I mean to say. That is, what is the word called genetics, children? Genetics is defined as study of transfer of, transmission also can be written as transfer of features from parents to offsprings. Fine. Who is the person, scientist, who discovered this transfer of genes? And the scientist who discovered the transfer of genes is Gregor Mendel. Actually, the full name is Gregor John Mendel, but in the textbook it is given as Gregor Mendel. So no problem. Either you can write Gregor Mendel or you can write Gregor John Mendel. So who is the father of genetics? So answer is Gregor Mendel. Very, very important question in the examination point of view. Next. So study of transfer of genes from parent to offspring is called genetic. Generally, when the transfer of genetically based features from parents to offspring occur, that term is called as heredity. As I said, your mother is fair enough and father is average, but in you, suppose mother's gene, that is the character, that is hair color, skin color being found, means what? The study means it is genetics. Normally transfer of genetically based feature, matlab genes, from parent to offspring is called as heredity. So don't get confused between heredity and genetics. Transfer of character from parents to offsprings is called as heredity. The branch of biology that deals with the study of transfer of characters from parents to offspring is called heredity. But you should not write this in a normal way, since a definition, so you should write in this way only. Transmission means transfer. Just for your better understanding, I am making into simple language. Otherwise, for the definition, you should properly follow these sentences. Transmission of genetically based features from parents to offspring. This transfer of genes from parent to offspring, to child, to son or daughter is called as heredity. The science or the study of transfer of genes from parent to offspring is called as genetics. I hope you all are clear. Okay, so that's why I given here example, heredity example, hair color. That is there are different hair colors. Some have black, some have brown, and some have different hair colors also. Some have curly hair, some have straight hair. So there are different color hair characters. So I have taken here hair color. Hair color is black of one of the parents. Suppose your father have black color hair, fully black, but your mother has brown hair. But the same black color hair is being seen in one of the son or daughter. Means the character, that hair trait or the hair character is transferred from the father to the son or to the daughter. So this transfer of genes from parent to the children is called as heredity. Transfer of genes is called as heredity. Study of transfer of genes is called as genetics. I think you all are clear. Right, children? Here there is a term, a quote is written here, like begets like, or like begets like. What does it mean? Young ones look like their parents. Young one look like their parents. You might have seen in your family, your aunt and some of your relatives, they will be giving birth to the baby. So the baby will be looking like their parents itself, right? So what does this sentence mean? This sentence means that young ones, they look similar almost to their parents. Example, a cat produces cats or kitten, not the dogs. Means same species will produce the similar type of organism. Okay, so cat cannot produce the dog's baby, right? So cat will produce the cats or kitten. Similarly, see, suppose you have nowadays this summer season and you are eating lot of mangoes. Okay, so mango seeds. Now you'll take the mango seed, you'll put into the soil. You'll take care of the mango seed, you will add water, you will supply water and you'll allow it to grow. After some days, the mango seed will germinate into a mango tree, not into an apple tree. Means, what is the meaning? As the seeds you will sow, the same fruit you are going to get. Yes? So mango seeds will not give the apple tree or banyan tree or whatever, banana tree or whatever the tree, right? Mango seeds will give rise to mango tree. Similarly, human being will produce the human babies only, not the lion babies or anybody else. So that is the meaning of this quote, like begets like. Means young ones look like their parents. Thank you.